Students, welcome to eGanit. In today's video, we will be seeing class 9th quadrilateral chapter number 8, exercise 8.2 and question number 5. The question says that in a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD respectively. Show that the line segments AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD. So let us first draw a parallelogram and we'll join the diagonal BD, and what we are required to prove is that if you join this line AF, which is joining this vertex A with F, which is the midpoint of DC, and line CE, which is joining this vertex C with the midpoint of AB, that is E, these two lines will trisect this diagonal BD. So how we are going to prove it? So उसके लिए हम लोगों के पास एक ब्रॉड ढांचा है, कैसे हम इसको प्रूव करने वाले। तो उसके लिए मुझे आप लोगों को एक सिंपल सी हिंट देनी है, दैट फर्स्ट यू कंसिडर दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल AECF. Let us prove this as parallelogram. Once we prove this as parallelogram, then we will consider this triangle DQC, DCQ, and because this FP will be parallel to CQ and F being the midpoint of this triangle side, and line drawn through this midpoint will naturally bisect this side, opposite third side, that is DQ, into two equal parts. Therefore, we will end up proving DP will be equal to PQ. Now we will consider the other triangle, that is APB, and in this case E is the midpoint given, and this AP is already parallel to EQ because these are part of the sides of a parallelogram. Naturally, line drawn through this midpoint E intersects this opposite third side into two equal parts, that is PQ will be equal to QB. So this is broadly speaking how we are going to achieve our result. So let us start one by one. So first we will draw a parallelogram ABCD. E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD, and we are required to prove that AF and EC trisect this diagonal BD. So let us see how we are going to do it. I have already discussed broadly how we are going to do it, but first we have to prove this AFCE as a parallelogram. And how are we going to achieve it? Let us see one by one. So first, AB parallel to CD. This is part of the parallelogram. This AFCE is nothing but parallelograms formed between these two lines AB and CD, and naturally AB parallel to CD because this is given a parallelogram, and naturally AE is also parallel to CF. So part of this line AB, that is AE, and part of this line CD, that is CF, they are already parallel. Next, AB equal to CD. Why? Because this is a parallelogram. Now half of AB will also be equal to half of CD. Now E and F are given as midpoints, so naturally half of AB जब हम बोलेंगे तो that is nothing but AE, and half of CD जब बोलेंगे तो that is nothing but CF. So AE is equal to CF. So in AECF, that is the quadrilateral I am talking about, we have a pair of opposite sides which are equal and parallel. So AE parallel to CF and AE is equal to CF. So one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So that is why we can say that AECF is a parallelogram. So first हमारा first objective achieve हो गया. अब आगे चलते हैं. जो मैंने आपको हिंट दी थी शुरुआत में ही कि हम लोग ये ट्रायंगल्स दो कंसिडर करेंगे. तो पहला ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करेंगे DCQ. तो DCQ में AF पैरेलल टू C और CQ पैरेलल टू FP. Now F is the midpoint. F is the midpoint of DC, and PF parallel to CQ. So PF parallel to CQ. Now here is the case where we have a line drawn parallel to this line, parallel to this side of the triangle, it will intersect this side, that is DQ, into two parts, that is P will be the midpoint of DP, P will be the midpoint of DQ, and therefore DP will be equal to PQ. So using the theorem, line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. So P is the midpoint of DQ, and therefore we have now one equation, PQ is equal to DP. Now moving on the parallel lines, we now consider this triangle, that is ABP. अब इस ट्राइंगल में भी आप देखोगे तो AP is parallel to EQ. Now E is the midpoint. Now we are getting a line drawn through E, that is the midpoint, parallel to this side, that is AP. So naturally it will bisect this other side, that is PB, into two equal parts, that is PQ and QB. So right. So there we are. In E is the midpoint of AB and PA parallel to EQ. So line drawn through the midpoint of the one side of the triangle parallel to another side that bisects the third side. So therefore Q is the midpoint of BP, and naturally PQ is equal to QB. So now putting 1 and 2 equation together, we now get DP is equal to PQ is equal to BQ. Hence we have proved that the diagonal BD is trisected by this line segment AF and EC. So thank you. Keep watching the channel for more such videos.